This is my first ride for the Brooklyn Waterfront Challenge, a 131-mile route all along the waterfront in Brooklyn. I'm riding down Vanderbilt Ave onto Flushing Avenue where I'm going to start. This is a brand new bike path on Flushing Avenue that they're still working on, as you can see. This is heading into Dumbo. A lot of construction here. Cobblestone sucks to bike on, so they added strips of smooth stone for us. Eventually, apparently, this entire 131 miles is going to be a bike path, but there's some sections that are still working on. Here, this is finished. This is a really nice path. Man, it's gorgeous. This will be so cool when it's all done. I love all the boats along here. Here we get on the bike path that's got a great separation there with the cement barriers. You can see there's city bike docks all along here too. The roads get a little rougher here. There's not as much of a bike lane, but it's not busy, so at least that's good. Then here, there's cobblestone, which really sucks to ride on. So I try it, but I get sick of it and I go up on the sidewalk, which you're not supposed to do, but when cobblestone's involved, it's the one time where it's kind of like, well, what are you gonna do? And back on a bike path. Took me a second to figure out where it went. But this is really nice. This is an area that I don't think I've ever biked before. It juts out like along the waterfront, and it's not like it's just a place you would ride. It's not. It sort of dead ends up here. You'll see it just turn around, but it's pretty cool. Lots of buses, and it's like pretty empty. Obviously not crowded, and it's a nice view of the water. And there's boats, and it's go check it out. It's pretty cool. And then there's this bike path here too. I didn't even realize this bike path was here. These are sharrows, which remind cars to share the road with bikers. They don't really do much for you because it's not an actual bike lane. This is a bike lane. But it helps remind cars not to kill you, which I guess is nice. Now we got a nice green painted bike lane. I love these because they're really obvious, although there's no physical protection on this one. And now you get a protection from a line of cars here.